Okay, I'm recording. So he lag. Rod spam.
Where's your fishing rod gonna be out of your way?
It hasn't lost any.
Seriously? Oh my god.
Because that's the infinite fishing rod trick. So basically I can just keep you away from me forever. If I want to.
Oh my god, if I lose this, I'm going to scream. No!
Dang 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 dang. I'm running low on food. Oh wow, that just glitched. I'm lagging a lot, so it looks like I had fasty. But I'm lagging. Imagine if I kill you, you're just gonna be so mad. I can already see it. And you're gonna camp? Watch him. Hit again with my fishing rod. Like, I've already been trying to kill him with my sword.
I only have 2 melons.
I only have 1 pumpkin pie. Come at me. Oh, your helmet broke.
Oh my god.
The amount of times I've rodded you back with... Just because I've fishing rodded you back so many times, it's just, kind of broke your helmet. Lag. I'm lagging a lot. Okay. Oh!
Let's put my iron armor in this one as well.
Oh god. Oh, I killed you. Let's go again, Mom. Okay, let's go again. That was funny. Dude, you seem mad. Keep on doing what we were doing last round. Except this time, actually try and get me, because you couldn't hit me last time. Come on. Oh, nice dodge. Combo. You know you could have killed me, I was just lagging. You're a bit late now. Try and kill me, don't just sit there with your block sword.
I'm trying to block your thingy.
Do anything, it's just gonna allow me to get combos. Make this an interesting video and actually just try to come and kill me. Just try come and kill me. Rod spam OP. Oh no. Bow spam.
What the demo is it?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
that's where it takes to be it. Bloody hell, leave it alone. Yeah.
How many hours do you actually have? Oh, we both hit each other.
I have no more. Lag. Lag. I'm only 3 hearts down, by the way.
I'm 4 hearts. Oh, stop right spamming! No.
I killed you.
Oh,
So you gotta go now?
yeah.
Okay.
Uploading the video.
Okay, bye bye now.
Bye bye.